Here are 25 common terms in surgery. Surgery, surgery, surgery. Incision, incision, incision. Anesthesia, 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 or anesthesia, 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 or anesthesia, anesthesia, or anesthesia, anesthesia, or anesthesia, anesthesia. Scalpel, scalpel, scalpel. Suture, suture, suture. Stitch, stitch, stitch. Wound, wound, wound. Hemostasis, hemostasis, hemostasis. Aseptic technique, aseptic technique, aseptic technique, aseptic technique, aseptic technique, aseptic technique. Sterile or sterile, sterile or sterile, sterile or sterile. Infection, infection, infection. Swelling, swelling, swelling. Recovery, 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 recovery. Operating room, operating room, operating room. Surgeon, 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 surgeon. Anesthetic agent, anesthetic agent, anesthetic agent, anesthetic agent, anesthetic agent. Laparoscopy, 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 laparoscopy. Biopsy, 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 biopsy. Scrub nurse, scrub nurse, scrub nurse, scrub nurse. Dressing, dressing, dressing. Gauze, gauze, gauze. Clamp, clamp, clamp. Forceps, 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 forceps. Cautery, 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 cautery. Hernia, 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 hernia.